Hello guys, so welcome back. In this video I'll be talking about modules, how to import modules and how they can be used. So let's open up the Python file. Okay, so now let's talk about modules and what modules actually are. So basically modules give you some extra functionality which like Python cannot do by itself. Basically we have to import the module into Python, and after only which it can be used. So there are many modules like Pygame, random, math. So let's first talk about math. So how do you import a module? So I can now for math I can just do from math import all right. Listen, so for example, if I just want to use the square root function, I can just do from math import square root. So what this tells Python is that I want to import square root from the math module. Alright. So now what does square root do? I think it's pretty understandable. It finds out the square root of a number. So if I say print and sqrt and let's say 4, it should give me the answer as 2, right? And there you go, the answer is 2. Now you could also use math to do other stuff like to find the factorial. So how do you find the factorial? You just put factorial of which number you want. So now in case I put 4, I want the answer as 24. But be careful that you have to import that. So I could do from math import square root comma factorial, but that's a bit time consuming, right? So how do you make it easier? I can just do from math import all. So what this star does is like this asterisk sign, it will basically import everything from the math module, so I won't have to type anything, everything individually. So I'm expecting the answer as 2 and 24, and there you go, the answer is 2 and 24. So they are the basics of math module. Like there are a lot more of complex functions like modf, exp, log1p, log2, gamma, and many other stuff like that. Alright, okay, now we covered the math module. I will just cover like one more module so like you guys get the idea. So now I will cover the random module. So I can just do import random because I want to import the whole random module. Okay, so now the random module is normally used for game development, like in case you want to spawn a character at a particular x and y coordinate. So it's mostly used for game development. So anyways, let's find out what this can do. So if I type in random.randint, it'll give me a random integer between 2 points. So for example, say I put 1, 100, it'll give me a random integer or a random value between 1 and 100. As you can see, it gave me 13, so it's totally random. Now I'm gonna show you one more function under random. Let's say I put print random.randrange. So what random.randrange does is it basically gives you a random integer value within a particular range. So what do I mean by that? So what I mean is I could put 1, 10, 2. So if you know for loops, like you would know that this basically means that I want it to begin from 1 and be incremented by 2. So the output will be 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, right? But now if we'll go to 11, that will cross our limitation, so it will only go up till 9. So what is random or randrange will do is it will give you a random a random value from 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So let's see if that works. And there you go, it gave me 5 as the answer. So it basically gives you a random integer within the range. So that's basically it for modules. I hope you guys understood it. You have any doubts, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer them. And if you have any ideas about any future videos or any questions you want me to answer, I mean like computer problems, you can also leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do a video on that if possible. So yeah, that's it for this video, and bye.